everyone. How are you? I hope you all are healthy and safe at home and doing your studies well. Right, student? Okay, so today I have come up with a new story from your Moral Stories book. So you open chapter 3, which is on page number 31, and the name of the story is Rishi's Adventure. Okay? So children, before starting the story, I am going to ask you some questions which you have to answer correctly. So first question is, what does safety mean to you? Children, safety means keeping yourself and other free from harm or dangers. Okay? Now second question is, who are strangers? A stranger is someone about whom we do not know anything, whom we have never seen. Okay? Now third question is, should you trust strangers? No, we should not trust strangers because they can also harm us. Now fourth question is, what might happen if you accept a stranger's offer to drop your home? By doing this, strangers may kidnap me and harm me. Okay? Now fifth question is, whom do you ask for help when you are in trouble? So children, when we are in trouble, we ask for help from the police or someone who can help me. So children, if you want to be safe, then follow these things. First is not talking to strangers. Second is not going with strangers even if they seem friendly. Third is not taking eatables from strangers. Fourth is not touching exposed wire in electrical appliances. Now fifth is not playing with medicines. And now sixth is being careful while playing near water. So that's the story. Rishi was waiting for his mother to pick him up from his music class. How can mummy be so late today? Rishi thought impatiently. Has she forgotten that we are going to the acrobatic show? Just then a car stopped near him. A man leaned out of the window. Children, there was a boy named Rishi. He left his music class waiting for his mother outside, as his mother was coming to pick him up for an acrobatic show. Just then a car stopped near him. A man leaned out of the window. Hi Rishi, he called. Rishi had seen the man once or twice near his music class, but he didn't know his name. I am Vikas, said the man, putting out his hand through the window. Your mother couldn't come, so she sent me to pick you up, said the man. Rishi was surprised. He had no idea that his mother knew this man. Children, then the man said that his name is Vikas. Then the man said that his name is Vikas and that his mother had sent him to pick him up. But the Rishi was surprised. Why? As he did not know that his mother knew him. Don't worry, I wouldn't kidnap you, the man laughed. Rishi smiled faintly, uncomfortable that the man had guessed what he was thinking. Children, now tell me, did Rishi know Vikas well? No, Rishi did not know Vikas. He was a stranger to him, right? Rishi shook hands but did not get into the car. He thought to himself, when Mama gets held up, she usually asks Aunt Indu for help, not someone I don't know. Children, Rishi thought to himself because he knew that when his mama does not come, she sends Indu auntie to help him, whom she knew. She did not send to him whom he did not know. I am getting late, said Vikas, sounding annoyed. If you don't come with me, a real kidnapper will come and take you away. Rishi didn't want to be kidnapped. but he still did not get into the car. So children, Rishi did well. Right? Rishi did well. He didn't go inside that Vikas car because his mother told him not to talk to strangers, and he thought that person was a stranger because he had never seen this person. So children, tell me, why didn't Rishi get into the car? Yes, because Rishi knew that his mother had sent his auntie Indu to help me, not anyone else. Right? Next, Mummy has told me never to talk to strangers. He told himself, and this man is a stranger to me. Oh, I forgot, said Vikas. Your mother sent this chocolate for you. She thought you might be hungry. Rishi relaxed, but not because of the chocolate. Aunt Indu had driven up alongside. Sorry, Vikas, he began, but Vikas had speedway. Children, as soon as Vikas saw his Aunt Indu, he ran away with the car. Who was that man? Asked Aunt Indu as Rishi hopped into the front seat. Good for you, Rishi, she said approvingly when Rishi had related his story. Remember that your mother will always send someone you know to pick you up. She asked me to pick you up just now because she had to get tickets for the acrobatic show. Thanks, Auntie, said Rishi, smiling happily at the thought of the treat in store for him. Children, then Auntie then Indu auntie asked him who was the man. Then Rishi told everything to his auntie. Then his aunt explained to him that remember his mama will always send someone he knew to pick him up, not a person whom he do not know, and always be careful with such people. Right, student? His auntie explained him correctly. So children, tell me, why shouldn't we speak to strangers? Yes, because he can do anything wrong to me. Right? Now next, tell me, what should Rishi have done if Aunt Indu had not come to pick him up? He should run. He should run and tell his teacher or his principal because he was in school at that time. Right? So children, what did we learn from this story? We learned from this story that we should never talk to any strangers. Nothing should be taken from an strangers. Right? Okay. Children, here are some value gems that you should follow. Value gems are: do not talk to strangers. Do not accept eatables from strangers. Do not accept lifts from strangers. In case you are left alone at school. In case you are left alone at school, you call your parents and inform your teacher or your headmistress. Okay, children? So, children, you have to follow whatever things I have explained to you here. Okay? Thank you.